Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to see how to change a cabin air filter on a Toyota Rav4. This is a 2023 and this generation. Simply step one, drop the glove box and see this little shock here or retainer, whatever it is. Just pull this way. And then squeeze this side and that side together like this and pull it out. I have one hand, so I'm just doing one at a time, but you can squeeze them both and it'll drop. You can even pull it out if you want. It'll just stay there, no problem. Now we come here and what you see is the housing for the air filter. This is the cabin air filter housing, and see it says up. That is what you should remember. So we pinch the sides like that and it comes right off. Now your air filter is in here. So again, the plastic says up, right? So let's pull the air filter out and you can see it's a filter that is attached into that little bracket there. So the bracket says up, and the Toyota filter usually also says up. See, it has a direction there. But if you notice, you see all the debris on top, which means the fan is blowing from top to bottom, right? So the airflow is top to bottom. So if you buy a new filter, aftermarket filter, and if it says airflow direction and it has an arrow on it, you should point the arrow down. What I mean by that is the airflow is coming from top to bottom, but these wordings up basically means it has to be placed with the pointing up, So that is the little confusion, but there you have it. So you basically take this off completely and you put in the new filter. In this case, I don't have a new filter, but I will put the link in the description for Amazon new filters for $15 each. You go to the dealer and you'll end up, if you go to the dealer, you'll end up paying over $50 to $100 for this, but check the link in the description and you can just buy new filter, put it just like this, and make sure this says up. We put that in there. Lock it. Once it's in, you can put the lid on. And again, that has an up sign as well. It should click just like that. Once it clicks, let's put this back up. Just slam it and it'll catch and come to the right side and pull the shock down so that you can attach it, push it in. And that's it. That's the end of changing your cabin air filter. And once you're done with that, successfully saved $50 to $100. And hope you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.